Hello, namaste, feel the heart. How are you guys doing? I hope you have been learning very well and your imperative practice are going really well. I want to believe that. And if you have been following all the videos and exercise properly, then I would like to introduce you some more things. Okay, so negative imperatives. I have already talked a little bit in the previous lessons, but again, here I want to be a little bit more, okay, more focused into the negative imperatives, and we'll be focusing around it. So when I say negative imperatives, then you have to understand that negative command sentences, don't do, don't go, don't eat, maybe in present or maybe in future. You know already how to make imperative sentence for the present as well as for the future, you know. So if you want someone to not to do something in the future, in coming future or in future, you know, in aap form, tum form, tu form, you have already learned. And also in present time you want to say, hey, don't do that. Someone is doing something, don't, you know, in that present state you want to say, don't eat that, that's very bad food, you know, don't drink. Someone is doing something, I immediately want to stop. Don't speak loud, shut up. Something you want to say. You know, don't talk, shh. Teachers often will have to say, or maybe the parents have to say to the children. So whenever you want to say don't and make sentences, okay, then how will you do it? It's very simple actually. I'm going to teach you just two words, okay. One is no, simply no, okay, no, 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 okay, dental, just right behind your teeth, no, no, no. No means no or not, already it brings, okay, no. And another word that you need to learn is mat, okay, mat, Mahato. Ta is dental, ma is labial, see, lips are closed, ma, and ta, you have to touch the frontal two teeth, almost four, with the tip of the tongue, ta, 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 ta. So mat, it's not t, you know, ta, 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 no, it's not that. Why I'm focusing a little more? Because you may get confused, because in Devanagari it is written MAT and you might go, oh, mat. No, it's not mat, it's mat. Just like, you know, Taz. Some people can say a Taz. Sounds weird. So if you read Devanagari, you don't need to worry. But if you don't read Devanagari, the Hindi script, then you need to be a little bit careful towards me. So mat, ta, 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 mat. Okay. So you know na, you know mat. Now how do we make the sentence? Okay. I say to my friend, okay, let's start with tum, which is very much used these days, you know. Tum mat aao, tum mat aao. You know, he's calling me probably on the phone. Anil, can I come to your house? My girlfriend is here, I can't let him come right now. Sorry. So I'll say, no, don't come now. Tum mat aao, tum mat aao, you don't come. You can also omit the tum part and simply say mat aao, mat aao. Mat a is the root verb and o. So mat aao. In the phone I'm saying mat aao. So a is the root and o is coming along with it. Okay, tum mat aao. You can also say tum na aao. Okay, you can just replace mat with na. So tum na aao. In day-to-day speaking, based on my experience of analyzing the present, today's Hindi, mat is used more, or mat is used over na. Mat is very much used compared to na. Okay, so yeah, you can follow mat, you can also learn na, but keep in mind both of them, because maybe next person will speak what, you know, you it's not only the language is like, you know, when you are learning language, it's not only that you want to speak, but you want to also understand them. Okay, so next person may use na, may use mat, but if you're ready for both, doesn't matter. So tum mat aao. If I say to younger kids or someone, like, I really don't need to be very formal, you know, he could be someone very close to my friend, you know, or he could be some kid, you know, younger than me. Tu mat aa, tu mat aa, tu mat aa. This is all going on present time. I'm saying right now actually. Tu mat aa, because I'm in phone. Don't forget, it's present time happening. Tu mat aa, no, tu mat aa. Tu mat a. Or you can say no, tu mat a. You can also say like no, tu na a. But that's very less used. Na a you can say, but mat a is much more used and sounds much good. Okay, so tu mat a. What if it's respectful? My dad calls me, my father calls me, and say, Daddy, Papa ji, आप मत आइए. It's present time. आप मत आइए or आप न आइए. आप न आइए. Papa ji, आप न आइए. It may sound like a na, but it's not na, okay? It's न आइए. आप न आइए. Better, I will suggest you go with mat. Papa ji, आप मत आइए. Papa ji, आप मत आइए. मैं घर पर नहीं हूँ. I'm not at home. मैं घर पर नहीं हूँ. पापा जी, मैं घर पर नहीं हूँ. आप मत आइए. आप मत आइए. पापा जी, मैं घर पर नहीं हूँ. आप मत आइए. Okay? That's how you will say. But if you want to make future sentences, maybe your dad is proposing, hey, I'm gonna, I would like to see you in this weekend. Will you be in home? I would like to come. Then you are saying in that situation that in this weekend, please, father, don't come. Papa ji, mat aiyega. Mat aiyega. Papa ji, mat a is the root verb and iega. That future imperative takes iega. Papa ji, Sunday ko, the Sunday, mat aiyega. Papa ji, Sunday ko mat aiyega. If I'm saying to my friend, hey Anil, Sunday ko mat aana. Sunday ko mat aana. If I say to my another friend, a female friend, hey Sunita, Sunday ko mat aana. क्योंकि अनीता आ रही है. Just kidding. Shit. Okay, so very simple thing is you have to add mat or na, and everything else is like similar. You can make as you're making the sentences or imperative sentences as you are, right? Just continue that, but add mat before the verb. Also, don't forget that you have to add mat or na just right before the verb. Okay, that's the only condition. And I hope you'll be doing good practice. So go to the exercise section, do some more practice, and if you have any confusion, any doubt, or if you want to scold me or give me suggestions also, please feel free. Okay, I always read in this particular course everything. Maybe not in YouTube, but here I'm gonna read everything and I'll reply everything. Okay, so good luck. I'll see you guys in the next video lesson. Bye bye.